So we gotta call them and say thank you, okay? Here, come help me pull the string. You get me? Pull it. Pull it really hard. Pull this one really hard. Now let's take this off. Okay? Now we're gonna unspin this. And you wanna see what it is? Help me pull the bag down.
What is it?
Bicycle.
Oh!
It's a princess bicycle. And I gotta put this helmet that I like to ride with.
Wow.
That's cool. It's a cool bike I ride with.
Is that a big girl bike?
Yeah.
It's a bigger bike. You put your feet on the pedals?
Yeah, just like Owen.
Can you make it ring?
Like a ring bell.
Turn this, watch.
What do you tell Grammy and Papa?
Thank you.
You expecting a delivery?
Oh, they're not. They stop in here.